Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up guys, it's kingsfx with the right here. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will share with you simple trick. Okay, simple trick trading volatility 25, volatility 75, all the volatilities, and even any indices at all, both currency pairs. But I'm just going to use volatility 25 for this video for the purpose of this class. Okay, now this is going to be a very simple analysis. Now I'm going to share with you why some of the patterns, okay, you know them, you know how to use them, you know how to enter them, but most time when you see them happen and you try to enter a trade using that same pattern, you lose out. Okay, sometimes you might have some pattern, maybe you know how to trade head and shoulder pattern. Okay, you know how to trade head and shoulder pattern, and when you see the pattern form, you enter your trade and you lose out. Okay, you still lose out. Sometimes it might be maybe you know how to trade double top. Okay, which is known as maybe M pattern, but when you enter the trade you still lose out, and you'll be wondering why. Is it not, does it mean that these patterns are no longer working? Does it mean that you are wrong, your entry is wrong and all that? So you keep trying to doubt the pattern or your entry or anything at all. So I'm going to share with you why those things doesn't work and how to use them. Okay, how to use them properly in order to enter your trade and you come out with profit, guys. So I decided to share this with you guys. Okay, share this in-depth knowledge with you guys, and I believe it's going to improve your trading. Okay, so it's very simple. I love keeping my analysis simple and neat. Okay, now here is volatility 25. Okay, you can see clearly, you don't need anybody to tell you that this price is trending down. Okay, it's a downtrend and it's a clear downtrend, a beautiful trend like this. I've been trading this all this while, so maybe this analysis might give you opportunity to also join me in trading this volatility 25. All right, so you can see the price is trending down. Okay, looking at the price action, has been trending down for a very long time. So now, what do I mean by some patterns not working and all that? Okay, now you can see that this price is trending down, so we are looking for a shorting opportunity. We want to go short on this, we want to sell. Okay, we are looking for selling opportunity. Now if we go down to maybe 4 hours time frame, okay, I'm going to keep this simple and short. Okay, now if I go down to 4 hours time frame, you can see this is 4 hours time frame, guys. So in this 4 hours time frame, you know that this price has been trending down. It's currently on a pullback, and here in this pullback we are discovering a pattern. Okay, now this pattern is simply known as the double top. Okay, you can see this is double top. The price is retesting a point, that particular area. Okay, that resistance point, the first. Okay, first, and is there again second. So double top, the price is testing a particular zone twice. Okay, now you can see that double top is a selling signal, guys. It's a selling signal. If you have been trading double top, it's a selling signal. So now, why is it that some of these patterns you use it and it does not work, or you will lose out? Okay, instead of this pattern working, maybe you see the maybe double top, you see the price come here, go back again, retest that zone. Okay, which is twice now, and at the price swinging to the downside, you now enter your sell here, and maybe after entering your sell, the price will just move down a bit and spike up and keep going up. Okay, does it mean that this double top failed at this zone, at this particular state here? Okay, does it mean that it failed? The problem is not about the pattern. The problem is about whether the pattern correspond or is still directing you to the trend. The pattern shouldn't be showing you a direction opposite the trend or opposite direction that the price is going. Okay, so if the price is going down and you are seeing W pattern like this, okay, you can see this is a kind of W pattern here. Okay, this is not a good signal, because you might be entering your trade after a breakout of this using my simple strategy. After a breakout from this resistance there, then the price will just go. Maybe you have set your take profit at this level or somewhere far, and you can see that the price is already reversing to the opposite direction. So W pattern is a buying signal. Okay, now, and the trend is clearly a downtrend and the W pattern is forming, that signal is going to fail you. Okay, the signal is going to fail you. I want to show you the reason. I just wanted to show you why some of these patterns, very good patterns, why you see them, you use them and they don't work, they fail. Most time it's not that the pattern is not working, but you are using the pattern outside the trend. So you must use the pattern in a way that it works with the trend. Okay, I'm trying to expose some secrets here. Something you if you pay up to $1,000, people might not even give you this kind of secret I'm giving you on my channel for free. Okay, so that when you use any pattern, you will see the effect. All right. So now I want to share with you this one. Now is a good trade, but I will explain. But I needed to show you some example of bad trade. I've shown you one. This is W pattern right here. Okay, so for the fact is W pattern, it doesn't mean that you should just jump into a buy. You should check if the pattern is telling you the same thing as the trend. Okay, the trend is the king. So if the trend is down like this one, and you're seeing, just imagine here, look at another W pattern, guys. I want you to pay attention. This is the secret you need. You know, I just decided to give you this thing here on my channel. You can see this is a W pattern, right? So using my strategy, you are expected to enter this trade at this zone after a breakout from this resistance zone. Okay, that's the perfect price. After a breakout from here, you now enter your buy. Okay, so if you have been using the strategy, you might, after a breakout, you enter a buy at this zone. What will happen? The price will go against you and you lose out of this trade. You will lose out. So the problem is not that W pattern, you did not see it clearly. You can see it's clear. Okay, the double bottom is clear. Okay, it doesn't mean that the problem is not also that there was no breakout. You can see there was a breakout there. The price breaks a kind of that zone. You can see it have broken that zone at this level. So the price have done the needful by breaking here. So now you have entered at this zone, and as you are entering, the price is going against you. So you'll be wondering, oh, this W pattern or this double bottom doesn't work. It works perfectly well, just that the double bottom here is giving you the opposite information to the trend. So whenever you see a double bottom or W pattern forming in a clear downtrend, the signal is likely to fail. So you don't want to enter a trade on this kind of signal. So whether you are using the head and shoulder pattern, cup and handle, any of this ascending, descending triangle, any of them, any of the pattern you are using to enter your trade, you must make sure that whenever this pattern is giving you any information, it should be in accordance with the trend. Now look at this one, guys. Now you can see at this zone, we have, let's say, take this one for example, we have the price tested this zone the first time, okay, come again the second time, then you wait for a breakout. Now if the price breaks this zone, okay, which is the support zone here, so you now enter somewhere here, you enter your sell somewhere here, and when you after selling this particular volatility 25 at this zone, you can see how massively the price dropped down, because the signal that is given to you is working in accordance with the trend. This is a downtrend and you discover a double top. Okay, a double top is a selling signal. So when you discover this particular signal right here, you're going to enter comfortably, because the signal, the what you are seeing, the pattern is working with the trend. So any pattern that is working against the trend is a false signal. It's going to land you, either you lose or you take little profit. So this is the kind of trade you want to enter. Now I want to show you another example, guys. A lot of them, I decided to share this thing with you because I know a lot of you are losing out of trade, even when you are right. Most of you, most time, you know what you are doing, you know how to analyze the trade well, you know how to do all the necessary analysis, but you don't actually know how to manage these patterns. Now you can see here we have double bottom right here. You can see you have the W pattern again, and after that, I think I've shared this with you guys. You can see this. Now you can see this one. Okay, you can see how this one works perfectly well, because it's the signal or the pattern is working with the trend, is going with the trend. So whenever you see a pattern that is going with the trend, is a strong signal. Okay, it's a strong signal. You can see it here. double top right here, okay, the price push down, okay, and after ranging sometimes price keep going down, but those ones that is forming the double bottom right here could not hold, okay, it could not hold. Look at here, guys, I'm sharing with you something worth more than I don't know, it's priceless anyway. I just started to do this because most of you do complain, does it mean that this double top, double bottom, triangular, rectangular, this and that, is it really working? I've used this several times, I lose out of the trade and all that. It's working, okay, it's working, but you must use this thing at the right place. You must use it correctly. So if you are using a double bottom on the wrong trend, you are going to lose out. If you use double top on the wrong trend, you are going to lose out. So I have what is happening. Why I decided to share this is because I want to enter a trade right now on this volatility 25. Okay, now you can see here what is happening now. We have a double top, okay, on 4 hours time frame. You can see this double top right there, okay. The price is testing this zone twice, and double top is a selling signal. And the overview of this trend, okay, the price is trending down, okay. That means the price is working, the double top is forming on the right trend. Sorry, it's forming on the right trend. So whenever you see a double top in a clear downtrend, it is a good signal to enter, okay. You can see this is a downtrend, and double top is a down signal, a shorting signal, okay. So when you discover this in a downtrend, it is more stronger, perfect, and more accurate than when you discovered it on maybe when the price is trending up or in a ranging market. So it is more powerful when it formed in a downtrend. This is the secret. This is the information you need to know. So when you are trading head and shoulder pattern, you should know that it is stronger in a downtrend. When you are trading double bottom, that is W pattern, you should know it's stronger in an uptrend. So all these patterns have places or trends they work well. Some of them work well on a ranging market, some of them work well on a trending market, some of them work well in an uptrend, and the opposite, the downtrend. So you must know where these patterns works perfectly well. So this double top right now, as you can see, we have a selling signal in a downtrend. So the price is definitely, or there is nothing in trading that is 100%. I still have to let you know that also. That's why you always take risk management and money management like very serious. I take it serious. If you have been in my mentorship program or any training I organize, you should know that one of the first thing I do tell you is that the main thing, the primary work of any trader is to protect your equity. You must protect your account. You must make sure that, you just know that you don't control the market, you don't control the price. Even though you know your analysis, you know your left from your right, you know how to analyze everything, you know some patterns that works, you have the working and tested strategy that have stood the test of time. For the fact you know all this information, it doesn't mean that the price will always go in your favor. Sometimes the price decides to do whatever it wants. So the price doesn't owe you anything. And you understanding this now will give you the kind of the sense of putting stop loss, okay, managing your risk whenever you are entering any trade, okay. So now if I go down to 4 hours again, okay, now on 4 hours, as you can see here, the price have tested the zone twice, so we are looking for the completion of this second leg downward, okay. So we are looking for this completion. So already, if you have been trading with me, you know the aggressive traders are expected to enter here after confirmation, maybe using a candlestick, okay. That is the first entry at this zone, okay. But people want to be more accurate and they don't want to risk more, okay. They don't want to jump into the trade. They needed more confirmation before they enter, needed to wait for a breakout from this support zone, okay. You can see this zone. So you needed a breakout before you now enter your sell, okay. So once the price breaks out, you now enter the sell. So the entry Number one is at this first zone here. Okay, that should be our entry one. Okay, that should be the first place we should be we're expected to enter this trade. Now here, so the second place we are supposed to enter is here. After a breakout from that zone, you now enter your trade, guys. So the reason why we are setting up this, or we are going to take this trade, is because the signal we are getting, okay, is working with the trend. In the same signal that the trend is giving us, the trend is trending down, so, and we are having a pattern which is a selling pattern, okay, a selling signal. So each time you are using this pattern, make sure that they are working with the trend. So if we want to do more analysis to know the perfect place to enter, we can now go down to maybe 1 hour time frame to see some reactions, some candlestick patterns or formation there that will kind of give us a clue of where exactly to enter our trade. Now you can see at this zone, we are still waiting for the completion of this candlestick. Even though if you are aggressive, you are entering aggressively at this zone, it is not yet confirmed to enter this trade, okay? Using my own personal strategy, okay? Maybe you have your strategy that maybe once it's testing here, you just jump into the trade. But for me, even if I'm entering aggressively, I'm not yet entering this trade until this candlestick that's it just opened. When it closes, okay? If it closes well, for giving me a signal, a selling signal, then I will enter. So I'm waiting for this candlestick to close before I enter the trade. But using a typical maybe random double top signal, one should enter this trade at this zone, okay? But I'm still going to wait for a close, or when this candlestick closes, and it will now give me more, a kind of the signal will be more clear, okay? And before I will now take decision of my entry, okay? But just know that this is the first entry zone, and the second one is down, okay? Now we're going to be our entry number 2 is after a breakout, okay? A breakout from this zone. All right, so basically this is it. This is what I wanted to share with you in this video, okay? If you love this, please don't forget, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I release a new video. Now pay attention to this, very important. I discovered some scam stuff going on in this channel. Please, there is no way I'm going to drop a number to you. Some people, when you leave a comment, some of you will leave a comment, they will go there and send a number, say chat me up on WhatsApp, they drop their number on the comment section. You should know that is not me. You should know that the KingSFX, even if they use my picture, some of these people doing that don't even use my picture, but even if they are using my picture, you should know that I don't drop. That's why whenever you are asking me of number, WhatsApp number, I will always tell you to go to the description of my video. So when you go to the description of my video, you are going to see my number, or you are going to see my link, anything. But anyone leaving a comment, say chat me up, follow this link on the comment section, is trying to scam you. So avoid those things. Avoid those things. So I'm tired of hearing complaints of people scamming or being scammed with my name, or that people are there working hard to take away the little you have. So the only thing you have to do is to be very careful. I can't send you my number on comment section, okay? I've done that mistake before. I decided not to do. I noticed this and I stopped doing that. So my number or my link will always be in the description of my video. In the description, nobody have the the access to edit my description, okay? But they can go to the comment section and reply your comments, and you will think I am the one replying, okay? Whenever someone is replying with a number, just know the person is about to want to scam you. All right, that is it. So I think that's that for this video. I hope you learned something in this video. Please like this video, share this video, share this video. You guys are not sharing my videos. I'm very angry. Not after exposing all these things, free of charge here on YouTube, and you fail to share my videos. Encourage me by sharing this video. Encourage this channel by sharing the video. Like the video. Always like my videos. In fact, I'm going to be making it compulsory that I must like it, whether you whether you enjoy it or not. Even if you don't enjoy this video, if you are waiting for boom and crash scalping strategy, you are waiting for how to cast spies on boom and crash, you are waiting for currency pairs, you don't have choice. Whether you are the one you are waiting for is the video I drop, just like it. Whether it's another video, like it. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next one. Please like my videos, I'm begging you. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Enjoy.